Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to import sound effects in CapCut. Here are the steps to import sound effects in CapCut on your mobile device. First, unlock your mobile phone. Ensure your sound file is saved on your device, and make sure it's MP3, WAV, etc. Open the CapCut app. Tap the CapCut icon from your home screen or app drawer. Tap New Project. Select a video to edit and tap Add. Wait for the video to load. You'll be taken to the main timeline screen. Tap on the audio option at the bottom. This opens all sound related tools. Select Sounds. This is where you can add music or imported audio. Tap on From Device or Folder icon. Then tap Device. This opens your local file browser. Browse your folders and locate your sound effect file. Navigate to Recordings or the folder where the file is stored. Tap the plus or Add button. This imports the sound effect into your timeline. Adjust the audio position. Drag the audio to align with your video scene. Tap the play button to preview. Make sure the sound is synced before exporting. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.